Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maharani Tiara Setiawan. My number absent is 21 and I am from HG. So today I want to show you how to make a warm drink to relieve a cold. This drink is a warm drink made from ginger to relieve a cold. This drink can be drunk when you're sick or the weather is bad. The taste is fresh and warm. Okay, right now, let's get straight to the preparation and steps. The ingredients is 2 pieces of ginger, 2 sachets of honey, 400 ml water, 2 bottles of Yakult, and 1 lime. And for the utensils is cutting board, pan, knife, and teapot. First, we need to wash the ginger until clean and peel it. Then, cut it into small pieces. Second, turn on the stove and add 400 ml of water to the pan. Then, add the ginger to the water in the pan and wait until it boils. Next, after boiling, turn off the stove and wait until the water temperature becomes warm. If you want to check the water temperature, you can dip your finger in the water. Then, after the water is warm, add 2 sachets of honey and stir until evenly mixed. Now, prepare a lime that has been cut. Then squeeze the juice into the ginger water and honey mixture. Then stir it. Now, put 2 bottles of Yakult into the mixture of ginger water, honey, and lime, then stir. Then, when it is mixed evenly, pour it into a teapot and your warm cold relieving drink is ready to be enjoyed. So, that's the recipe for a warm drink that is simple but healthy for the body. That's all the video from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.